Hi guys, in this video I took little pork sausages and fried them in pancake batter. If you want to see how I did this, please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a cute recipe that I think children will love. I'm making this especially for my husband. He's the one that gave me this off of TikTok. They're pancakes stuffed with sausage. Let me show you the ingredients. You need some syrup. They used to be Aunt Jemima, but they changed the name now to Pearl Milling. It's complete. So you don't need to add anything but water. And I've got 8 pieces of little bitty sausage rings. You can also buy it in the whole sausage where you have to make them yourself with, by hand by patties. It comes like hamburger meat, but these would be quick. And you need some butter. Welcome to my channel, the channel where I upload 2 videos a week, quick, fast, easy meals. Always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke at the end. My husband for breakfast, it's not pancakes, it's not breakfast. For me, I need some potatoes, some eggs, some grits. I need a little bit more than just pancakes, but like I said, especially for him, he came to me with this TikTok video and asked me to make it. So I'm going to turn the camera around, cook the sausage, and show you how I do this. Let's get cooking. Okay, as you see, I'm just frying them. I added a little oil to the pan before I put the sausages in. They were 8. I put all 8 in. I don't know if I'm going to make 8 little pancakes because that'll be pretty filling. I just wanted to show you I flipped them once. I'm just going to let them cook. I like my sausages well done, so I'm going to cook this for a little bit longer. Okay, see how dark they are? That's just about how I like them. I'm going to go ahead and take these out of the skillet and blot them on some paper towel so they won't be oily. Okay guys, so I have my 8 little sausage patties cooked. And as I said, I was using the Pearl Milling Complete, so all you add is water. Use your favorite pancake mix. I'm sure it won't matter what kind of pancake mix you make. This needs to be thick to adhere to the little sausages. And this you add water. So I'm just going to add water and stir until I get it to the right consistency. Because you want this batter pretty thick to adhere to the sausage, from what I saw in the TikTok video. But if you like them light and fluffy, this probably won't work. Make some additional pancakes on the side. A lot of people like them really thick. I do not. I like them thin and crispy. I don't like really big, thick pancakes. So I'm just mixing this all together, get all the lumps out, get it smooth. And yeah, I think this is something kids would really like because the sausage is in between the 2 pancakes. So you get a bite of sausage with every bite. So you see that. Okay. I'm going to get this all mixed up and come back and then turn the camera around and we'll start frying these. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Come back for the next one. My channel is all about people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't have time to cook. That's one thing great about my husband liking pancakes. It's fast, easy breakfast. For me, I need some potatoes, I need some eggs. I need more than just some pancakes. So I'll see you guys back in just. Oh, I want to show you guys any lumps that I see, I pull it to the side and smash it up against the sides of the bowl to make sure that there's no clumps of batter in there that of pancake mix that would be floury or not completely smooth. So that's what I'm doing here. I wanted to show you guys my little trick. That's just about right. Okay guys, I forgot. I don't know if I mentioned you need some butter unless you fry your pancakes in oil. I'm putting some butter on the bottom of the skillet. Then I'm dipping the pancakes in the batter. I'm adding them to the skillet. I'm making these for the first time with you guys, so we will see how this turns out. I think looking at them, you need to definitely make all of it drip off so it doesn't run, and it's exactly the same size as the sausage. So I'm going to do 4 at a time and then reassess. Got a great joke for you guys. You won't believe it. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm cooking this. We have not had breakfast today. We normally eat late. And just my disclaimer, I did cook some additional pancakes on the side for myself. Flipping these over, it should only take a minute or two. The problem is going to be where the pancake spread. I'm going to have to mash down on the sides to make sure that part gets cooked. Just rotating them around, fully cooked on the part that's spread outside of the sausage. See, this one is probably more how you want to do it. You want to make sure that it's about the same size, because as I'm touching it, the batter isn't cooking on the sides. So I'm going to rotate that on the side and prop another pancake up against it. Make sure the side of that cooks. Turn this down a little bit. Take these out. Like I said, I think kids will like these. My husband's a big kid, so right up his alley. I'm going to do just a couple more and leave the last two to go with the other sausage, with the other pancakes. I'm going to rake that off, make sure it doesn't spread too much. I think that's the safest way to do this. Add some more batter to where my fingers touched it. Add a little bit more butter to the pan. I'm going to put that around, take this one off, so it doesn't burn. And then I always immediately butter them as I take them out. Some butter on them. And this is pretty much it. Yeah, he saw this on TikTok and brought it to me and said, could I make these? And I said I would give it a go. As you guys know me, know that I don't like to cook. So at this point, I'm going to cut my eye off. My stove is electric, so it will stay warm. I'm just going to make sure I get all the sides of this. You see, it's not much pancake batter on top, as you see. And you see that's fully cooked. The problem is on the sides here, where it's spread. I'm just going to hold it up on the sides like that. Making sure the sides are not doughy. Let me turn the camera around, set up some pictures, and show you guys my joke. And as always, thanks for watching. God bless. Okay, guys, there you have it. A little disclaimer. I did cook a ham steak. Let's see the bone in there. I cooked that off camera in between shots. And there's the additional pancakes in the last two. I've only cooked 6 of these. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Like I said, I really enjoy the comments. I respond to each and every comment. And God bless you all. And I'm thankful that you guys take time out of your day to watch this video. So let me tell you guys my joke. Okay, guys, a man sticks his head into a barber shop and says, how long before I can get a haircut? The barber looks around the shop and says, about 2 hours. The man leaves. A few days later, the same man comes back, sticks his head in the door and goes, excuse me, how long before I can get a haircut? The barber looks around the shop full of customers and says, about 3 hours. The man leaves. About a week later, the same guy sticks his head in the barber shop and goes, how long till I can get a haircut? The barber looks around the shop and says, about an hour and a half. Again, the man leaves. The barber looks over at a man in the shop and says, Bill, can you follow that guy and see where he goes? He keeps asking how long he has to wait for a haircut, then he never comes back. A little while later, Bill comes back into the shop laughing hysterically. The barber asks Bill, where did he go when he left here? Bill looks up in tears and says, your house. Oh, that's terrible, but that's pretty slick. Anyway, thanks for watching. God bless. Hope to see you on the next one. Please give this a thumbs up and give this recipe a try. My husband just finished eating them. He said they were delicious. They're the pancake batter isn't really thick on the sausage, but I guess you probably don't want that because, as I showed you, it's hard to cook on the other side. But as usual, have a good evening. God bless.